amazing forum.
Very top-notch, very busy sort of participants that you ordinarily wouldn't meet anywhere. I learned a lot and I find interesting projects.
I do recommend it to anyone who's in the potential market of investing, if not now or in the future.
I saw two projects that I really like.
I must say it is unbelievable, wonderful.
This is one of the most impressive ones. I love the format.
Where you can meet a lot of people from all the world.